goal of the workshop is to introduce complex parametric modeling tools to design and fabricate structures inspired by natural systems. The participants will be split in groups of 3 or 4 students and will be tasked with producing a structure or object of human scale. They will be trained not only in modeling complex nature-inspired geometries, but also in using basic simulation tools to evaluate the performance of these geometries and also to inform the design. After the production of the geometrical models, they will learn to produce parametric modeling scripts to adapt such models for a particular fabrication system of their choice. After the production of these models, we will have a roundtable discussion to evaluate the results that each group has come to in the end.
The goal of the workshop is to give an introduction to parametric modeling tools to design and fabricate structures that were inspired and informed by biological systems. It's structured in 3 sessions. Session number 1, introduction of biodesign concepts. Students choose biological organisms of their choice to base the design and list the environmental conditions of the organism. Introduction to the production of the modeling algorithm. Session number 2, introduction of simple solar radiation and the water precipitation simulations to inform the design being worked on. And the session number 3 is adaptation of the produced geometries for a particular fabrication method using parametric modeling simulations of the fabrication method, which will most likely be 3D printing. And then we'll have overall discussions about the results that were achieved by students and the project's future applications.
The construction industry significantly contributes to global greenhouse gas emissions and resource depletion, exacerbating the need for innovative solutions. Biodesign offers potential solutions by harnessing living systems and materials to create more sustainable and resilient structures and buildings.